Hello, midnight coders. Imagine that you're inside of your virtual world and we are full of all of these entities that we've created last time, and they are doing the exact same thing. It's predictable. But what if we wanted to do something different? What if we wanted to be able to just call player.attack and monster.attack, and then they should both have their own way to implement this logical contract that we need to create? But we don't want to define the logic. We just simply want to give the contract that has to be agreed upon and met. So, in order for us to interface with these contracts that we create, we need to first introduce a new class type, an interface. Bet you didn't see that coming. All right. So we're going to introduce an attackable interface. This will allow us to interface with anything that implements it. And now our player and monster can have their own implementations of the same contract. Perfect! All right, so next we need to add these to our existing classes. Okay, guys, okay. So what's going to happen if we run this? All right, so let's take a look, okay? We're going to go here, new class. We're just going to simply call this main, okay? And I'm just going to get rid of all this, and we're going to say void main, because that's all we need. And now we're going to say var glabe equals new player glabe. I don't need that. And then we're going to say a new pokey is equal to a new NPC. And now we want to simply say glabe attack and pokey attack. And now, because we can also say movement, we're also going to say um, glabe dot move and pokey dot move. And you can see that. Actually, let's take this. Um, print line, and I'm going to say this dot um, name. And actually, I'm just going to duplicate that, and then we're just going to do the same thing for Pokey. And we will make sure everything is happy. And let's run this. So we never actually defined a name. Look at that. So we need to figure out how to do that. So let's pop back into player, and we're going to simply say, we're going to create a constructor here. So we're going to say public player, and this is going to take in a string of name and set name to name. And we'll go into here and we're going to say glabe, and then we're going to come in here and say pokey, and we will add that constructor in here as well. Name, name. There we go. Now if we run this again, you'll see that Pokey is glabe is attacking, Pokey is attacking, glabe is moving, Pokey is moving, and then the two names. So as you can see, we are calling the same function, but yet it's producing different results. Now, Java makes polymorphism very simple, exactly like you've seen. Now, I bet you didn't even notice that you were doing that. So now, if you've been enjoying this modern Java series that I've been doing, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get notified with a new video when it drops. And I promise you don't want to miss out on these. So next time we're going to take a look at our entity class and how we can make it a little more abstract, letting the child um, implement their own implementation of their parents' tendencies. So as always, guys, keep your curiosity open, your skills sharp, and that coffee cup full. I'll catch you in the next one.